The history of Murphy was he was owned by an alcoholic who surrendered him to the rescue 7 years ago. He had been beating him with a broom whenever Murphy vocalized. Their squawk, if you will, is extremely loud. I'm not making excuses for this man. There is never a reason to beat an animal. If you can't handle their noise, then you should be either buying them or keeping them. And he did. He surrendered them at him after 6 years. So the damage to his follicles was done. He had already lost all the feathers. And because the follicles were damaged, they won't grow back.